So here's app called Quin AI Tarot Reading Insightful Dialogues. So here is the app. Your personal AI tarot reader is an AI native app trained based on a corpus of human tarot readers. Unlike traditional tarot apps, Quin not only integrates AI capabilities, but also transformed into a smooth, immersive experience. So describe your situation to Quin and it will find the question closest to your heart. No waiting, no appointments. Unlike traditional, Quin can delve deeper, helping you gradually clarify confusion. There is daily tarot widget. And yeah, so that's the idea in here. Get instant, accurate, and sharp insights, immersive tarot experience, shuffle and draw, daily spiritual guidance. So, if you like this kind of stuff, that's the app. And then you can just go and start creating your account.